Hey, thanks for watching. I'm Sebastian, and today we're going to talk about how to light your grill the right way. The question we get a lot from our customers is how to light the charcoal, how to light the grill. You know, it seems a lot of people are doing it wrong. You know, they buy this like lighter fluid and they just pour it on the charcoal, they throw a match and they walk away and they expect magic to happen and the charcoal to light. But it's really not the way to do it. The golden rule of lighting charcoal is to light it from the bottom up. You really want to get your fire starter under your charcoal, light it and put the charcoal on top and let the flame, the fire, work its way from the bottom up. Here are some of my favorite ways to light charcoal. One of the most popular tools to light a fire is a chimney starter. Fill your chimney starter with charcoal and then place a fire starter like newspaper or a FOGO fire starter under your chimney, light it and place the chimney on top. My personal favorite to light charcoal is just directly in the grill. Fill your grill with charcoal and leave an empty spot in the middle. That's where you want to place your fire starter. Light your fire starter and then carefully build a charcoal pyramid on top of your growing fire. With both of these methods of lighting the charcoal, your fire will be ready in 15 to 20 minutes. Enough time to get a drink and to prepare your food. We have a special surprise for you today. We're going to cook one of my favorite cuts of meat, skirt steak, or as they call it in Miami, entraña. As you can see, entraña is laced with fat, which is going to give it a really great, juicy tasting steak. And we're going to sear it over the hot charcoal, just a few minutes on each side, and we're going to eat it. Let's go. This turned out amazing. Look at the color on this and the crust. So juicy. Oh, I just love skirt steak. It has the best flavor. Well, folks, that's the end of our episode for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. And see you next week. Thank you.